Good morning to MIT ADT podcast series. Today we have Shreya Malhan from second year Electronics and Computer Engineering of MIT ADT University. Welcome Shreya, how are you?
I'm perfect, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. So how was your day?
It was good.
It's rainy today,
it's
correct?
really rainy today. Yeah.
So feeling how?
It's just gloomy because it's raining.
Bit lazy?
Yeah, very lazy.
Can understand. So Shreya, as you are in second year, so have gone through first year and all the experience, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now you are in your core department.
Yes, ma'am.
So how you will share your experience of a teaching and learning process, or the style the faculties teach you, the way they teach you in the classes. So how you feel like?
So our teachers are more like our mentors because they help us and guide us through everything that we've been through till now. Like I'm in second year. So their style is like a mixture of, it's like a blend of physical teaching, like theoretical teaching and practical applications as well. They give us hands-on experiences for our future, and which makes us understand better. They're always approachable, like we don't really have to think a lot before approaching them, or hesitate ki what will they think, ki is that a dumb doubt or not. They always make us feel comfortable, and they make us feel that we are fine in asking that doubt. Like many children, even including me, I used to hesitate a lot to ask doubts, but with time and gradually our teachers supported us through everything. So they always support us, and they are always there for us. Like even if we want to ask something out of the syllabus, or even if we want to ask something about our career or our future, they're always there to help us. So at the end, it's just that they are very supportive, and they are always there, and they always guide us through everything.
Wow. So I should say that you have a happy smiley.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So though may I ask you, like what is the university played a role in your life? Like what's the role of university for your career and future prospects? How university is helping you out?
So ma'am, before joining the university, I used to be a very shy person. I did not speak up a lot. I used to hesitate in speaking, like I said already. But after joining the university, I got many experiences. I got the exposure. I got to experience a lot of events. I participated in multiple events. I hosted multiple events. And I even joined clubs. So it made me develop certain skills like management skills, leadership skills, communication skills on top of that. I got the confidence, and I became articulate. And I can now proudly say that I can present myself in front of a crowd, which I never used to do. I was not even confident to give a podcast last year. But with time, until second year, I got so confident, and I'm so glad that till fourth year, I am going to be very confident to present myself in front of people.
So happy to hear this. Thank you. Like now, being a girl,
Yes.
everyone is scared about the hostel life.
Sure.
So how would you rate the hostel life over here in MIT ADT University?
Personally, I love hostel life. Now, hostel is a scary word because I was really scared before joining the hostel. As a girl, safety is the biggest priority, and even for my parents, safety is the biggest priority. Before joining the hostel, the main thing that I was thinking was, how am I going to live in a hostel away from home, away from my parents? How am I going to manage it? But with time, it did not take a lot of time, let me be very honest, because the hospitality that the attendants, that the wardens gave us, I made friends along the way. And it's been 2 years since I've been living in a hostel, but it does not feel like it's been 2 years. Time went by so fast, I did not realize that I'm living in a hostel. I got the warmth of the home that I get at my home. So it's like a home away from home, and the environment that the college has created for us. And the fact that when I'm in my hostel, or if I'm bored, I can just roam around in the campus and feel safe at the same time.
Nice. So overall experience of MIT, apart from like with the college, with extracurricular activities, with your regular academics, clubs, hostel life, everything. So what would your experience will is?
Overall, the experience is just fabulous. I did not expected it to be too good. Apparently, it can be called as transformative for me, because I came from it was like I was living in a small box, and the coming to into this university, having new experience, having the exposure, making friends from different culture, and having the chance to go to different clubs and participating in events, it made me come out of the box, become more confident, and I could like represent myself. So it kind of made me capable of the future difficulties that I might face or the challenges I might face in the future. It has made me capable of facing those challenges without a problem.
Nice. So thank you, Shreya. Thank you for coming with us. Thank you, everyone. We'll be soon back with MIT ADT podcast.